Hi, I'm Kate. In this Paperless Post tutorial, I'll show you how to make a business event with Paperless Pro, our new suite of features designed specifically for professional events. First, go to paperlesspost.com and click the tab at the top for Paperless Pro. Then, choose the event type that you're planning and browse thousands of invitation designs or upload your own from scratch. Whether you're starting with one of our corporate event invitation designs or uploading your own, you can customize your invitation to reflect your brand by choosing specific color palettes, adding photos, and uploading your own logo. You can also brand your event page by replacing our header logo with your own for a cohesive, professional look. Add guest questions along with your invitation to gather useful information to help you plan smarter, such as guests' meal preferences. Once your invitation is customized to your liking, you can send it to your guests via email or text, or create a shareable link to your event page with a custom URL and the option to add password protection. If you're sending your invitations via email, you can also customize the message that guests will receive in their inboxes with your choice of colors, photos, and your logo, so everything is on brand from the very first open. When emailing your invitations, either send them directly through Paperless Post, or if you've created a custom link, embed it along with an image into an email platform such as MailChimp, Salesforce, or HubSpot. Then, track your RSVPs as they start to roll in with our advanced analytics view, which you can find via your events tracking page. These easy-to-read graphics help you visualize your guest list with helpful insights into open rates and responses. When it's time for the event, download the Paperless Post app to confirm guests' attendance in real time with our guest check-in feature. Have a question about making invitations for business events with Paperless Pro? Feel free to contact our customer operations team. See you next time.